Hello, today through this video, we will learn how to transpose data in Excel. I already have my sample data where my headers are in columns, but I require a data in which my header should reflect in rows, and against that, the data to be populated. I have to copy this, select a new cell, paste, and click on transpose. Now you can see my data look exactly same as I required in my sample data. Another example is this. This is a month calendar of September, where my data headers are in column, but I require my headers to be in row and the rest of the data is against their in their columns. I click on Control C, I go to paste, I go to transpose. Now you can see my calendar has changed from vertical to horizontal. Now the third example is transposing a matrix. So this is the input and this is the output which I require. So I have created a data same as I am having an input. I control C, I go in paste special and click on transpose. You can see the output is this which I required in, which I have already shown that I require this output. The keyboard shortcut to do the same thing is copy and then click on the cell where data is to be pasted. Then I have to press Alt plus H plus V plus T. I will show you here. I just copy this matrix and I use this keyboard shortcut. Alt H V T. This is the output. Thanks for watching. Happy learning.